Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Meta Business Suite API access, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Meta Business Suite API access, start by logging into your Meta Business Manager account. Navigate to the business settings located in the left-hand menu. In the business settings, locate the data sources section. Click on APIs under the data sources menu. Next, ensure you have the proper permissions to manage APIs. If necessary, assign the appropriate roles to your account or team members. Once permissions are confirmed, select the Add API button. Choose the type of API you wish to enable, typically the Marketing API or Graph API. After selecting the API, proceed to fill in the required fields. This includes the API name, description, and any specific use cases. Once completed, click Create to generate your API access. Make note of your API credentials, including the access token. Next, navigate to the Developer Settings menu. Here, you can define your API limits and permissions. It's crucial to configure these settings according to your intended usage. Once all settings are appropriately adjusted, save your changes. To finalize, test your connection to ensure the API is functioning correctly. Use a tool like Postman to run a test request if necessary. If successful, you will receive a confirmation response from the API. Monitor your API usage and performance regularly. This ensures you stay within the limits and avoid interruptions. Congratulations, you have now enabled Meta Business Suite API access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.